Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to create a custom fields in IAG access request form. As we know, in case of a typical GRC access request form, if you want to add a custom fields, it's pretty easy. Like we just need to go to GRC REQ table and then append the structure with the new fields what we want, and it's going to come in the custom data section in the ARM form. Now, the same kind of requirement emerges in IAG. Then what is the procedure which we need to use in order to accomplish this requirement? It's exactly the same. So the first thing what we need to do is we need to create a custom field group, and then we need to create a custom field, and then finally map both of this custom field group with the custom field. And if we want to make it as a mandatory, we can also have an option to make it as a mandatory field. So now let's get into the tool and let's try to do this. So the first step is to create a custom field group. So what is this particular first custom field group is all about? The custom field group is all about the list of systems. When we select in the ARM form, the custom field is going to appear. So now, for example, as you can see in this instance, I have created a custom field group called as SAC custom fields, meaning when I select an SAP SAC system in my access request form, only in such instances, I want to see custom field. So now I'm just going to select it. And what I have done, I have just selected the SAC as my entity. And this is basically for an access request. And I have provided a description and I have provided a meaning over it. Once I'm done with this, the next immediate step, what I need to do is I just need to go to custom fields. And what are all the custom fields which I would like to add or I want to create it? I can create a custom field and map this custom field to the custom group which we have previously created. Now I'm just going to go and create it. I will just call this as department. And now I want this custom field, and this is a label which I would like to give. And then subsequently the input file, what I'm going to select, the input type is going to be a plain text, and it can be a string, and I can enter up to 15 digit. And then I want to make this status active. And then subsequently the custom field group. So it should come only when I select an SAC application. So I'm just going to go and click on add. And then finally, I can make this particular field as mandatory if required, or I can just leave it blank as it is. Now I'm just going to go and click on save. And once I'm done with that, if I just go to my access request form, I go to create access request. And right now I'm just going to select the SAC Analytics on Cloud application. And I'm just going to go and click on OK. And I'm just going to select the SAC application. And then I'm just going to go and click on access request. And if I just scroll all the way down, you can see the department field, which is getting listed. And this department field will only get listed when I choose an SAC Analytics on Cloud application. Why? Because that's the configuration which I have done against the custom field group SAC, the custom field should appear. So thanks for watching. Please stay connected. We are going to have a few more videos coming up.